All right, those yellowfin tuna steaks, that ahi tuna, blackened, and Chef Paul's magic seasoning, that blackened redfish magic, you know that's right. Extra virgin olive oil. Gonna throw these on the grill. A little scotch in the cup tonight. Let's do it. Gonna sear it on both sides. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful ahi tuna. Yes. Yes. Oh, love. Beautiful. All right, we have our beautiful tuna, fresh off the grill. Yes. All right, and there you have it, the beautiful ahi tuna salad. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you found value in this, please subscribe, tell all your friends and family, smash the like button. Until next time, I'm Chef Bravo. Respect and love.